Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix top discord causing FPS lag in games, lower GPU and RAM use. Right click taskbar, select task manager, click file, select run new file, click browse, select this PC, double click local disk C, double click Windows folder, double click system32, find CMD, open CMD, type the text shown on the screen, click OK. Type the text shown on the screen. Click enter. Type the text shown on the screen. Click enter. Type the text shown on the screen. Click enter. First, I will open the Discord software. Click settings. Click advanced. Hardware acceleration must be disabled. Right click taskbar. Select task manager. Click details tab. Find the high RAM used to Discord app. Right click this app. Select set affinity. Choose only 1 or 2 CPU. Click OK. Thanks for watching.